Kia ora tātou, nau mai haere mai to Te Pukikoe for the NZ Māori Hockey Tournament for 2025. I am joined, it is my honour and privilege to be commentating this game. My name is Alex Miller and I'm privileged to be sitting next to the one and only Kahu Ripia. Kahu, awesome to have you on the board, on the call.
Tēnei te mihi kia koe bai, o tī rā. Koutou katoa, I tēnei wā, nau mai hoki mai ki Wainganui a tātou. I tēnei tauwhainga o te haupoi Māori a Aotearoa no te iwi o Ngāti Tamaoho, tai no te maunga o Maungaroa, Pukakohe, I runga te whenua o Rosa Birch Park, Pukakohe.
And it's a beautiful day here at Rosa Birch Park as we've got our two teams lining up, Waikato versus Waiariki in the grand final of the Tāne Tier 2 men's matchup. The water cannons are still going, but the boys will be unafraid. The Waiariki boys, they'll stand staunch. See some of the players out there, handshakes on. It's a great day here out on the fields, out on the turfs. There's been some great hockey being played. I can see out there on the field, the little man. I don't know who that is. Is he playing today? Tier 2, looks like it.
You know, boy, a few years ago when we decided to open the door to encourage more of our Māori players hiding away in the woodwork somewhere, a lot of these guys have come, and that's why we've gone from pretty much 16 teams to about 30 odd this year.
It's amazing to see. It's amazing. Like, that's what we want to see, especially from our Māori hockey rōpū and rohe. As many players out there as possible, and some familiar faces out there playing today.
Well, you know, and not only are some of these players ex-Tier 1 players in terms of representative players, they're now, a lot of them are heavily tied up in Masters.
Yes.
So, you know, a suggestion has been made that not only do we make representative team selections, but maybe also Masters selections as well.
It looks like Waikato, Maniapoto, they're going to start us off with our haka.
Yes.
We'll listen in.
Led by Antonio. Yeah, good to see him back. Aaron Barnsdale.
Love to see this. As they line up.
Travis Huddy.
Both teams.
Tāne Opodi. Simon Johnson. There's quite a few of them.
Quite a few familiar names out there on the Tier 2 men's. Teams for both Waikato and Waiariki.
Yep. Reese Winera. Ethan Honig. Well, Ethan's been the secretary of the Coney Header for a number of years now, so he's always been one of the staunch members from Waikato.
Waiariki.
Now this is the Tier 2 final, isn't it? Between Waiariki and Waikato.
He loves to get in the boys' faces, but they're all mates out there.
Well, he started from the back.
It's good to see. It's good to see the passion out there here today, and you know they're not going to go easy on each other. They're all mates out there in the bar and afterwards, but out on the turf, they go at it. They go at each other. You like to see it get in their faces. So big pride out there today on the turf from both teams.
Yes, yes. Oh, looking forward to a great game. Tier 2 final, ladies and gentlemen. Waiariki and Waikato.
Well, they ain't going to play it like a Tier 2 final. They're going to play it like a Tier 1 final.
Definitely.
Don't be surprised if they start getting at the refs or getting at each other. It might devolve into that game. Oh, no.
Holy hecka, that looks like two whare toa. Happy on this side, it is too.
Got the big names out there. Two whare toa hape. Owen Mitai Wells.
Yeah, always been great servants of New Zealand Māori hockey.
Aye.
Yeah, over the years. Not only here too, overseas. Owen came over to Fiji with us 3 or 4 times. And then all around the country.
As Waiariki have first possession of the ball. Again, just like to give our condolences, well, not our condolences, our mihi out to One Foundation for their support of New Zealand Māori hockey.
Yes.
And all hockey really, in general. Without them, we wouldn't be here today. So thank you, One Foundation. You guys brought it on for our NZ Māoris, Tāne.
Yeah, no, tika tō kōrero, boy. Awesome. Thank you, One Foundation.
It's Waiariki, bring it up top. Great crash ball in. Oh, possible hack. Yes. And Waiariki with the first PC of the game.
2 rivals, Aaron Barnsdale and Owen.
Great patience there from Waiariki there on Mitai Wells, earning the PC. We'll just see if we can just get that replay again, but Waiariki setting up Two whare toa looking for a possible drag flick here. We know he's got one. Goes up top, Jesse with the trap. Two whare toa, great drag flick. Another PC there, just off the goalie, deemed dangerous. And you love to see it. All the spectators in support.
Stalwart of Waiariki, Jordan Edmonds in the background there, supporting the whānau.
Now, I think I saw him playing for another team, is that right?
Yes, Taki Timu.
Aye.
Yeah.
Making up the numbers, was he?
Yes, yes.
That's good to see. That was very strange. I did not expect that. Great little hit out there. It looked like he was doing a cricket hit. Jesse Page.
Yeah, there was 3 of them.
Going for 4.
Ngawati Edmonds, Jordan
Edmonds whānau, eh?
Edmonds and Mania Wikataia.
I didn't know they whakapapa out there. Whakapapa this weekend, eh?
We get that transitional heritage from our whakapapa, from our tipuna.
Apai.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah.
Love to hear it. Great overhead here. Again, this is Tier 2 men's, but these guys aren't going to play it like it. It's going to be all out.
Yeah.
Some big names out there.
Huatahi.
It's going to be fast-paced action here in this Tier 2 men's final.
Waiariki pressurising at the moment.
Great ball in the middle.
Opportunity.
Oh, Owen calling for it, and I think he's going to do that a lot today. He's going to be looking at the ref saying, hey, that's a PC right there, but you know what? The ref's never going to agree, I don't think.
Yes, I can see here in Simon Johnson having a bit of a tussle at the back there.
Wesley Hampton trying to bring it up into the middle. Waikato crashing it down. See, in the Waikato dugout. I want to know who their young boy is down there. Love to see if he gets on the field. That'll be the one. Ooh, bit of a high shot there, but deemed okay. Play on. No.
Yeah.
Waikato with possession now. Good little pop pass. Waiariki going through the middle. some ping-ponging of the ball in the middle here. Waikato looking forward. A great tackle there by Wesley Hampton. He dumps it off to Tomohau Palmer. Tomohau Palmer now free. He gets a circle entry. He tries to go on the reverse. Tomohau Palmer looking for that middle into the circle, but couldn't quite find it. And as we mentioned before in the broadcast, you see a lot of the players, some of them, they've got that red ribbon on their backside, just to indicate they're eligible for the under-21s Māori's team.
Yes, and there's a stack of them here this weekend. My goodness.
It's great. It's great to see.
Yeah, oh, it is. I wouldn't have liked to be a selector for the under-21s.
Yeah, there's a lot of talent out there, this weekend.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Not just from the two teams in the grand final, but from all the teams.
That's right, right across.
It's great to see.
Well, Whānau, this game is going backwards and forwards at the moment. Still anybody's game. Nobody's really gained the territorial advantage. But,
another overhead pass from Waikato. Waiariki win it back. There's a big siren going off somewhere. You might be able to hear it in our broadcast, but massive siren going off.
Yep.
Oh, great sweep. It was that Tim Hohepa. Great sweep from the back. Clears it up the field. And Waiariki now. Overhead into the corner. Oh, couldn't quite take it. Waiariki though, I think they're just attacking a little bit quicker. As we have a look into the Waiariki dugout. Very vocal. You see the crowd, it just seems like it's just growing all of a sudden for this game.
Well, having a final in this actually in this division, Tier 2, is a new, relatively new concept, and people are just keen to, not only support but look forward to the final outcome from both areas.
It's beautiful to see. Waikato bringing it up. Looking down into the middle, Jesse Page gobbles it up, but Waikato will retain possession. Long corner. A lot of Waiariki players in that circle at the moment. Just bobbled there.
Well, no surprises. They'll probably be trying to make it a twosome today.
Yeah.
Win the Tier 2 and then with their Tier 1 team in the men's final as well.
I won't lie,
yeah,
Matua, but it'll be a good day for me. Waiariki boy, yeah. So seeing our men do it. You'll be pretty happy in the broadcast. That's what I'll be saying.
Oh well, that's right. Your heart is where your whakapapa is.
Aye. But no. I'll whakapapa to Waikato too, so it'll be good to see as well.
Oh well, hey.
There's a Waikato team player in the back. Looking up the field, trying to find an open man. Found one, but couldn't quite hold on to it. Waiariki now with the counter. Great skills there, Owen with the ball. Oh, bobbles out, number 9. Taiti with the ball, he comes with it. Owen with the sweep.
Oh,
hits it.
Oh my goodness me.
Ah, look at that big smile. Dugout's happy.
Yeah, he just rocked the wheel.
Well, seagulling from the back, Owen Mitai Wells. He only really dribbled it in.
He had a touch there. Following up.
Okay, Ariki Taite with the dribble from halfway, and he does most of it. Owen just seagulling.
Still putting his body on the line.
He was just seagulling in the background there, and you see he's over the moon. Oh, and Waiariki back it again. And some great dribbling there from number 23. I'm not too sure who that is. We don't have a name for that player on our score sheet.
No, Kari Moyo.
You just see Waiariki, they just turned it up, and does that one touch and he's tired. Owen's off. Big day at the office. I think he'll be done for the rest of the day. No, we'll see him back there later. Well, Waiariki boys in control.
Being replaced by Alex McIndoe. Yep. Good to see Alex back. I think his boy is playing in the Tier 1 side. He's an old stalwart of Waiariki's.
Ball just goes out there, but Waikato team possession. Probably look to overhead this. Here we go. Great overhead look. Actually, it bobbles out, and they get back the ball. Great look. Oh, great tackle though. Oh, and pops it out. Gotta love it when they put their body on the line like that. These old stalwarts out here.
Yeah, you know, and a lot of them are playing Masters, so they're in reasonably good nick. Not so much physically, but the skill factor is still there. Obviously, the heart is still there too.
They got the touch, not the legs.
Waikato advancing at the moment in attack, trying to set something up.
Waikato. Oh.
Cut off by Te Huitahi Edmonds.
And he's off. Now, I know this is old, boys, but he ain't old. He got legs. He's running. Waiariki with the ball. Oh, what's ref calling here? Stroke. Hold on. He's having a corridor. I think he's going to have another chat with the other ref. But yeah, it might have been 50-50 from the goalie. We'll have a look what the referees have to say. But it was great passage here. Tuatahi Edmonds bringing it up. Dumps it off. And yeah, big tackle from the goalie. No, I'd call that stroke because yeah, it was all player.
Yep, no,
and yep,
that's what the final outcome is, a stroke.
So a stroke there. Wonder who's going to take it. Oh, tūwhare toa. He says, nah, I got it, boys. Here we go. The drag flicker. What's he got? He's got, what was that? Oh, no. He makes a dog's breakfast out of that. Oh, no. Replay that. We want to see that one more time. Holy, here we go. Oh!
We're on tūwhare toa. He's too big to hide away in a corner.
What was that? You don't expect that from a player of his caliber. That's a box.
To be honest, I don't think he's actually playing at the moment.
We're gonna clip. I think the boys are gonna clip that and play that one over and over again for him. It's good fun out here.
Well, it was a reprieve for Waikato, and they're coming back at the moment.
Now, I do like my basketball, so I always say ball don't lie. So,
number 12, Travis Huddy, he's been a long time servant of Māori hockey. He's one of the cousins of Bevan and Troy and Michael. Their dads are brothers to Govan.
Awesome insight there, Matua.
Yeah.
It's all the whānau that are represented here.
Yeah.
Tuatahi with the ball.
Always dangerous to Tuatahi when he's got the ball.
Tūwhare toa. Holding it in the back. Ball comes up. Number 20. Oh, PC there. Didn't quite catch that. Nice little foot. Now, on our scorecard it says Tuatahi Edmonds is number 20, but that's not him. So I'm not too sure who our number 20 for Waiariki is. But if you do know, let us know. But he does great here. Brings it back and collects the foot. Another PC here. Rika with the ball, drags it out to Whare Toa, pops it back. Oh, collects it, but dangerous swing, and that'll be the end of the quarter. Wowee.
Ashton Martin,
Ashton Martin couldn't quite collect that one, but first quarter action done and dusted here in the grand final for the Tier 2 men's. 1-0 to Waiariki over Waikato. There's been some excellent attacking for the Waiariki men's. And Waikato still yet to find a PC or get on the scoreboard, but I think they'll be deliberating. They'll have some good talks here and now in the huddles as we go into the second quarter.
Definitely. Well, Waiariki are definitely come with a purpose. For the bigger fellas, it just depends on how long the petrol tank will hold out for.
Yeah, I mean, they played a few games this tournament already. The eggs will be burning out there.
Oh, if I was them, I'd go to the back and let those young fellas do all the running.
Yeah, totally. As we see some of the first quarter highlights, it's been pretty much all Waiariki and their legs running it up and down the turf. See the young guns putting out into the Tier 2 finals. Some great shots here. Excellent work by our goalie for Waikato, actually. He's been doing well. Tūwharetoa tries that drag flick but gets collected.
I suppose the reverse for Waikato too is Waiariki are very lucky. Their younger players are stepping up. Waikato's are sort of just easing back at the moment. They need to come forward and help out the older fellas.
Here's our first goal. Meetsai Wells just holding back. Ball pops out to him and he just gets that nice little sweep. Looked a little bit uncoordinated, but he got it. Big bump off from the boys. And here's Tuatai Edmonds. Great work. I think he's laughing there. Got a big smile on. He was like, I got this. Gotta love it. Gotta love this big smiles on. And then here's the great shot from Tūwharetoa. Oh, he'd want that one back. But 1-0 here in Pukekohe in this grand final as we started off. Waikato versus Waiariki. Oh, and the ball goes just out. Over the fence here.
Waikato again in an attacking position. They've been there a few times, but just sort of haven't finished it off.
Looking to bring it around the back. Waiariki just pressing up a bit higher than they were the first quarter. Great stick control there.
Aaron Bunzer with the ball, controlling the back.
Likes to play it nice and patient. Looking around. Looks into the corner.
That's a good ball down the line. Yep, here we go.
Number 18, Te Maiwoha. Tries to crash it in, nothing there. They'll get the ball back, Waikato. So bring it back here.
Yeah, just noticing the Waikato young fellas. They're not sort of stepping forward and demanding for the ball.
Oh, here we go. A little touch there in the circle. It's back out. Well, Waiariki, secure it. Try and crash it out. Oh, yep. Just hooked the foot there from. And here we go. Here's that speed we've been talking about. Waiariki bringing it up. Great trap there by Aaron Barnsdale. Oh! Tamaho Palmer. He thought he had it. Couldn't quite get it. Waikato again with the ball. I think I'm hearing it a lot. Oh, who's that? Jesse Page. Waikato bringing it back. But Waiariki get the pressure taken off of them from the referee. So we see some of our players for Waikato on the bench, ready to come on. Waiariki holding it back here. Try to look up that sideline, but nothing there. Nā matua.
I see Tāne Apanui out there. He's been a great servant for Waikato over the years. Great to see him back.
was just about to ask you actually, Matua, you've been part of New Zealand Māori hockey from almost the very beginning.
Oh, not quite, but it's been 20 plus years, that's for sure.
Ooh, it was a great look there from Waikato on that shot there. Their first real opportunity in the circle.
Yep.
But yeah, and you've probably seen the game grow since in that time, haven't you, Matua?
Well, definitely, you know, in the day we only had the traditional 16 teams, 8 men, 8 women. But we knew that there were players that wanted to be here, but with our restrictions, they weren't given the opportunity. Now that we've opened the door and created what we're calling at the moment a Tier 2 competition, we've got up to 30 teams. So, and we're looking at even developing it more into a junior competition.
Yep.
And like I say, identifying those elderly players that are here in a Masters competition as well.
It's awesome to hear, and I know that we've got the likes of Hockey New Zealand here now, with an association with the tournament now. So now it's becoming a fully recognised tournament for New Zealand hockey players as Waikato get the steal. But it just adds to the opportunities. Waikato with the crash ball in. Jesse Page cleans it up.
Yeah, no, we've always had the support of Hockey New Zealand, but you know, we are very independent in what we do.
Yes.
And that's really in terms of tino rangatiratanga.
Aye.
So we have our own control of our own destiny. But yeah, no, it's great to have the support of Hockey New Zealand.
You see that now. You got so many new competitions being made for Māori hockey players. You got the Waiariki Fives going on. You got the competitions where they're going overseas now. Where did they go to just before?
Yeah, well, we just during the season we had what we call the Iwi Tour Fives. It was placed here in Pukekohe. The inaugural Fives tournament, which included the 4 regions of Aotearoa, Te Hiko o Te Ika, Te Upoko o Te Ika, Te Ika Maui and Te Waka o Maui. So that was actually the making of Fives for New Zealand Māori hockey, of which we picked a selection and went over to the Hong Kong Fives.
And to have those kinds of opportunities is awesome for Māori hockey in general. So it's been, as a spectator myself, being able to see that growth just from not only the tournament but all the players and the opportunities they're getting now, it's amazing to see.
Yeah. Like I say, we wanted to develop our junior competition and then also acknowledge our seniors in the Masters age group as well. So, yep. No, the future looks pretty bright. You know, but just going back to the Fives, it's such a competition that it lends itself to our people.
Yeah.
You know, there is structure to it, but you're open to using your natural skills and speed and all that type of thing, and it's actually quite thrilling if you're a spectator.
Aye. And something that I've also noticed about Māori hockey now is that now we're getting a lot of kura kaupapa doing well in nationals. You've got the likes of Ruamata in Ranking Cup, and they're making semi-finals, they're making quarterfinals up in their national tournaments, and you're seeing a lot of that from all our kura kaupapa schools and kura. It's awesome to see, and I think it just comes to that more competition, more opportunities for our Māori players to be able to succeed, and now that's going out to our kura kaupapa all around the motu.
Well, you know, obviously they're the lifeblood of the existence of Māori hockey in time to come. And, you know, like the idea of initiating a junior competition is to help that transitional period as well. So, oh yeah, no, definitely, you know, we're all proud of the achievements that Tinga has been able to instill in Ruamata, and you know, going back to Rankin again this year, it's unheard of.
It is
at kura kaupapa level, and considering, you know, there's only about 150 students at their kura, you know, you can't help but be proud of what they're achieving.
That's what we love to see. We love to see those underdog stories, I guess, coming through.
Oh well, you know, and Tinga was in that age group himself many years ago, and he's just giving back to the kura, you know, what he went through as a young guy as well, because he was an awesome player when he was young. tell you. Yeah.
As we get back to the game, Waikato with the ball up in the middle now. Ooh, some stick checks there. Waikato playing it quick now. Want to speed up the pace. Leave there.
Yeah, Hunter Davies. Well, he's had a good tournament, that young fella.
Ooh.
He's going to be a force in time to come.
It's great to see. Started to slow it up now, Waikato. Trying to find a gap. Waiariki though, tough defense in that circle.
Yeah. Well, they got a few old heads and they cover a bit of space. So it's not easy to try and get that ball through all that. Here we go.
Crash ball, but not quite the hit that they wanted. Waiariki playing it patient. They've worked it up a few times now, but haven't quite made any circle entries in the second quarter.
The pace of the game is sort of slowing it right up at the moment, playing more of a caution than running it quickly.
Here they go. Down the sideline there. Great skills from Taite. Tries to find someone up high, but no one there. Waikato with the ball. Look down the sideline. Dribbles out. Here's some of the calls from the sideline. Some great comms out there as well from both teams. Waiariki happy to play it back here. And here we go, Waikato from the press. Nice little pass off into the middle. Controls it there. Tuatai Edmonds with the tackle. Now, I haven't heard it in a while, but I'm hearing it a little bit now. Are you hearing that, Matua? Those little
yeah,
little call-outs.
Calling to each other.
I'm sure that's a real Mata special, those ones.
Well, is that Reachwood era? My goodness. There's a few young guys out there that with the initial under 21 Māori team. Like Reachwood era.
Now,
Aaron Barnstall, Travis Huddy.
I know you're one of the kaumatua of Māori Haupoi. Seeing these under 21s, would you rather see them in the tier 1 comp or the tier 2? Like, is that?
Well, I'm talking about guys that helped initiate the under 21 program.
Aye.
Right back in the early 2000s.
Wow.
1999, that area, and obviously they've aged now, but they're still here. They're still coming back. And they're fitting in quite well with this tier 2 competition.
Yeah, the first year of it running, and we're used to seeing 8 teams, an A and a B squad from the 4 major rohe really, but now we're getting so big it's becoming 2 competitions at once, which is awesome to hear.
Well, in the early days, around about 2000s, we discussed as a Kaunihera in terms of the selection for the under 21 team. It was only a paper team, and we decided, well, hey, instead of making it a paper team, give them a bit more incentive and get them some competition. So we started that off in Palmerston against the Central Region's Indian side.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
wow.
That was a great backstick by Aaron Smith.
Wow, just from that overhead. It just kind of set up perfectly for him. Put it on his reverse, bang, in the goal.
Yeah, no.
Everyone kind of looked frozen,
That's
actually.
the game, 1-1.
The ball just comes in. Great overhead by our man. Aaron Smith, was it?
Aaron Smith.
Oh no, Aaron Barnsdale.
To Aaron Smith, yeah.
Yeah. Great overhead by Aaron Barnsdale, and it just popped up for him and just left everyone frozen.
Yeah, that could be the spur that Waikato needed.
And just like that, we're at 1-1, tied up. Another overhead, Waikato.
Yeah, no, like I was saying, the under 21 side, we just wanted to put something in there, so a bit more incentive for the team. Instead of being a paper team, we had competition. And continuing from there, we hosted Queensland secondary schools for a good 18 years. And currently, the New Zealand under 21 Māori team have been playing at Heritage along with the senior teams as well. But we're always on the lookout for games for them. You know, because these young fellas, they're just rearing and wanting to represent New Zealand Māori hockey and at any level competition.
Waikato.
But like I say, to see some of the stalwarts of that initial team, Aaron Barnsdale and Rhys Rhaenyra and Travis Huddy in particular, in this particular game, because there are others, the likes of Tūwhare Tō and Owen come a little bit later, around about 2008, 9, when we started going to Fiji, etc. So, but yeah, still good. It's great to see them all still turning up, enjoying themselves. Well, even before that, there was Tāne Apanui and Simon Johnson, you know, from the older brigade even.
Some awesome names in there.
Yeah.
Matua. And, here we go. Waikato open again. Shot on goal. Pops up.
Waiariki have fallen away a little bit.
Waikato bringing on the burners now.
Yes, they're opening the Waiariki defence.
Some great passing here. It's number 16, Paul Davies. Gets a shot across and just pops up from the goalie's pads.
Yes.
Play Simpson.
Paul's been a good stalwart of Waikato. He was there, Coney had a delegate for a number of years.
We see Simon Johnston. He's on the sideline ready to drag it out up to the top. What do you reckon they got here?
Oh, well, Aaron will be there. He'll be trying his utmost.
Drag flick.
Ooh,
Aaron.
Not bad.
Run down though by number 9. Waiariki Taite. Aaron Barnsdale with the ball again. Pops it back. But Waiariki clears it out from Jesse Page and goes in the middle.
Alex McIndoe.
Oh, great pass up the front. 1-on-1 with the goalie. Can he hold it?
No, he's taking it too far.
Well cleared. And you hear the crowd. It was a great look up the middle of the field. Big hit it into the middle. Hit it to nowhere, but second half concludes. And it's 1-1 between both teams. Waikato taking control back in the second quarter. Half time here, 1-1, Waiariki 1, Waikato 1.
Yeah, no, it may be tier 2, but it's not a bad spectacle.
It's not a bad spectacle. It's got the crowd going, actually.
That's right, yeah.
As we have a look at the huddles between both teams, Ethan Honock there, I think he'll be pretty happy with that second quarter effort.
I think so. You know, it looked like at one stage Waiariki had the leagues on them, but they weathered the storm and have come back and equalised. And they look like they've actually changed the momentum of the game. So this breather for Waiariki may have come at a good time.
We'll see some of the first half highlights. And first quarter, it was all Waiariki really, running it up the field, using their legs to get the attack going. And their young guns putting on a show in that first quarter. See some of the highlights. Some excellent goalkeeping there from the Waikato goalie. I'm not sure who that is actually. Matua, you know?
And you know, I wouldn't be surprised. No, sorry, I missed that part. But I wouldn't mind betting that the starting of this new half, Owen will be in there trying to sniff something out.
We can see him there.
Yeah.
Came up to him and just put it away. Put the body on the line. Big handshakes there. And you see the run from Tuuatai, using his legs, laughing his way up the field. Pops it over. And it was a penalty stroke from there.
Yes.
And it was good. And Tūwhare Tō couldn't collect it, puts it out left.
Probably justifiably to their penalty, that stroke.
Yep.
There was an element of danger there. You know, that young fella could have got hurt.
Yeah.
And because there was a definite opportunity to score.
But Waikato, though, they've been stringing some passes in the second quarter. Great shot there as well. Comes off the post.
Tāne Apanui off the post.
And they've just been making more of the opportunities into the circle. They've had a lot more circle entries in the second quarter. And this goal here just slots it away. It just throws the defense and bang.
Yeah, it's a good ball for
Always you like it. Yeah. And PC there. Comes up to the top. Nice drag flick, but that was run down by Ariki Taite. And you see Another drag. Oh, couldn't quite hold on to it.
A bit far.
Cleared out by Waikato. So we'll leave it there. We'll leave the highlights running, and we'll be back for our second half in the men's grand final here at New Zealand Māori Hockey 2025.
No, kia ora. You know, over the years, we've been really lucky, especially when we were travelling overseas or any time Māori hockey gets together. You know, initially in the old days, I'd have to take control of things like the haka, etc. But you know, with the advent of and I must add, it came from the Waiariki area, Tinga in them, and then Owen them later on. You know, they're all haka guys, so it was like, oh no, uncle, leave it, uncle, we've got it, and Te Mātai who always at the forefront with our hakas.
Gotta love that.
And in recent time, Tūtarangi Rahirui, but all those boys, they always never hesitated to come forward and lend a helping hand from that cultural perspective,
Yeah, and seeing the haka out there just before the game from both rohe, it's those are the kinds of things you want to see in Māoris. Like, you want to see that passion, that mana for the game.
Yeah, you know, we're not trying to duplicate what a normal hockey tournament would look like. We're wanting to be ourselves, bring our culture, our tikanga, and everything, and you know, like that was given to us by our chipuna. Bring it so that we can do a big Māori together, not only on the hockey field, but right around the whole pitch. Like last night, we had our pōwhaka ngāhau. Each one of the rohes had an entertainment bracket, which was well received by everybody that was there, kaumātus, etc., ex-life members as well. Rawiri, Wright and Renee, they were there. And it was just, you know, just an awesome environment. Everybody looks forward to coming here every year now. And that's why I say we had to open the door so that extra teams could come. Because we were just doing ourselves an injustice by having those restrictions.
And now the national tournament is massive. It's massive. And if you ain't here, you're missing out.
And we're still building on it.
Yeah.
And that's right. If you're not here, well, hey, the door's always open for you to come.
But if you aren't here, glad you're here on the live stream. Glad you're here watching it with us, because, yeah, it has been an excellent tournament so far. And like you said, Matua, we had the pōwhaka ngāhau last night. I heard it was really, really exciting, really fun night. We even did a pōwhiri on the first day, if I'm not mistaken, and it was awesome pōwhiri from the rohe here in Tāmaki.
Yeah, so you know, we've this is the second time I've been to counties involved in the pōhiri here, and you know, just acknowledging both Ngāti Ata, Ngāti Tamaoho, in particular, the mana whenua of the area. And everybody attached, and it's great to be here. It's a lovely facility. The only trouble is, at the moment, with our sport growing so much, we're having to use a 3-turf facility. And so there's games a little further down the road to cater for that, and it's you know, hey, it's okay at the moment, but we may have to look at venues that have the 3 or 4 turf facilities.
Hey, these are the same problems that Te Matatini is having, you know? You know, the competition's getting so big, they're having to change venues, they're having to figure it all out. So, you know, these are good problems to have, really.
That's right. Yeah.
So it's not just in hockey, Haupoi Māori, it's in a lot of Māori areas that we're finding these problems to happen to have. I think the worst problem we're having is parking, but that's just a good thing as well.
Yeah, that's right.
But Waiariki, they send it over the back line. Waikato with the ball.
Aaron's been flexible at the moment. Aaron Bounsdell, he's up the front, at the back. I think he may actually stay at the back now. Because Owen's creeping into that D, looking a bit dangerous.
It's been hard, Matua. I've had this steam pudding here, sitting on my desk the whole time, and looking at it, going, man, when can I eat it? Because it's looking great, but I see, is there hangi around? Is that what I'm seeing?
Don't let me hold you up, bro. Yeah, there's hangi in there too.
Oh, stop it. Got the hangi going.
So hopefully they schedule somebody else to come on deck over here when we're finished, so you can go and enjoy yourself with a meal.
That's us after this game. We're into the hangi. But no, we're satisfying ourselves with the Māori hockey that's on display right now, Waiariki versus Waikato.
Well, I'm enjoying what I'm watching at the moment, you know, and because the score is even at the moment, the quality of the game is not going to dwindle at all.
Waikato holding it back here in the corner. Nice
that.
overhead. And it's back to their player. Oh, and here they are with the attack. 2 young players going through. Number 14, Wesley Hampton. Doesn't quite have the legs, but he's got the smiles. He's happy to be out there. Love to see it. Waiariki. Bring it up on this right-hand side. Tuatai Edmonds now. He's got legs. He'll look to crash it in. Nice smooth play, pops it back. Oh, great sweep out by Waikato. Excellent defense, and they still hold position.
Yep, that's that Hunter Davies.
Ricka.
Scooted a little bit, but time will tell. He'll develop.
Edmonds with the ball. He looks up forward. Bobbles out. Waiariki will retain position.
Yeah, I'm not surprised that Huatahi is taking a leading role in their attack. He has been part of our junior program for a number of years, although at the moment just concentrating on his career, which is fair enough. Goodness,
it's awesome to hear.
He won't pay the wages.
Never know. Maybe one day it will. We get that professional, get that awesome. Time will tell. Anyway, Waiariki holding it back here. Waikato letting them have it, doing a very low press. Yeah, the calls. I got space out here. Jesse Page. Oh no, Colt. Tuwharetoa with the ball. And he's got to bring it back. Wanted to play that quickly. As he runs off.
They call it backing around, what these young fellas are doing now. Sometimes I beg to differ.
Jesse Page looking up the middle. He's trying to find a crash ball. He found something, but it goes out there. Some big deep breaths from Owen Mitai Wells.
Mind you, what do I know? I'm a rugby player. You know, the things we do for our children. That's why I've hung in here so long.
Tomo Palmer. Oh, he tried to pass it back to Edmonds, but Waikato got it back. Zach Palmer with the ball now. And Waikato bringing it up. Some big heaves up there. I can hear that through the microphones out there. Some heavy breaths. They must be tired. It is quite a warm day out here. There's a bit of wind still. A little bit of wind, but nice, awesome weather for hockey out here. Oh, and the ball comes up for Waikato. Applying the pressure. Looks like they've got the momentum now, but Tuatai just sums it up easily. Comes through in the back, and he holds it. Waikato just letting them have it. Letting them have that long... Trying to crash it up the middle there. Oh, excuse me. Waiariki. They bring it up fast, but can't quite control it.
You know, one of the reasons why our son changed from rugby to hockey, he said to me, you know, Dad, hockey's such a skillful game. And when you look at it, you know, you got a piece of stick that's about 3 inches wide, and you're trying to trap a ball that's coming, you know,
100 miles an hour.
And you know, you watch people how they make it so easy, how they do those different skills, and yeah, it is. It's a lovely game to watch. When you got people that are at the top of their game as well.
Yeah, totally. It's when you start seeing those the ball connect with the stick, and you're starting to see those passes stick to stick as well. It's awesome to watch, just with the level of speed that hockey can generate.
Yeah.
Tuatai calling for it. Comes down the sideline. I think he'll crash it in. No, brings it back. 21.
Well, you know, a lot of people may remember, in terms of cricket, great New Zealand cricket players. Ross Taylor was one of them. CJ Watling was another one. They were both hockey players in the day when they were young. And I'm talking secondary school. And they went on to be good great cricket players, and I believe it was that hand-eye coordination that they gathered playing hockey.
Totally.
You know, because they go from a hockey stick, which is 3 inches wide, to a cricket bat that's about 7 inches wide, and they're used to the ball coming to them quickly, so they knew what to do.
Great pass there from Waikato. Hunter Davies with the ball back. He's a young player to watch out for. He pulls it back out to his number 17, Aaron Smith, who gets through. That's our goal scorer. Hunter Davies with the ball again. Crashes it through. And the goalie forced to save it, but great work up the sideline there.
Yeah.
The dugout loves to see it from their young players on display.
Yep. Well, even my own son, you know, he played hockey.
Right.
And then when he switched to softball, it was the same thing. You know, hand-eye coordination, and he'd stick the ball over the fence a few times.
You must have hated it. Must have had a couple of baseballs go through your windowsill.
I used to do that myself. My father used to say to me, "I thought you could pitch, mate." Where the hell did that ball come through the window?
Ooh, some hands up there from Waiariki. They didn't like that call there. Waikato retaining possession. You can just see though, it seems like the momentum shifted in Waikato's favour.
Yes, yep.
Barnsdale with the ball. Crashes it through, but ooh, comes out. Waikato. Great shot. Oh, and it's in the top.
An error. It is too.
Top net shot. Ethan Honeck loves it. He loves it. All the Waikato ball loves it. And you just see Barnsdale crashes it through and it just bobbles out. Jesse Page couldn't quite get control of it. And Reese, Winiera, just puts it top net. How do you like that? 2-1, Waikato. We'll just get an update on the score.
Yeah, well, in the day, Reese represented Aotea, which are now Taiuru, for years. So he obviously is residing in the Waikato now, or whakapapa's that way as well. And yeah, great to see him. He'd be loving that.
I just think that pressure on the back there.
Oh, look at that by Aaron Barnsdale.
With the overheads, and the high press.
50-metre flick.
Just making the difference there. And Waikato being a little bit more patient on defence as well. Pulling back, letting them have it.
Antonio Te Maiwaha. Great to see Antonio back. He's been pursuing an acting career.
It's awesome to hear. You see these young players in the front row stepping up. A little bit unfair because they got the legs on these old fellas out here. Great shot on goal, but Waikato, they get it back. With number 12, Travis Hare.
Yep, Travis Hare.
Oh, is that a foot inside? Yes, it is. Hare wins the ball in the PC. There's a few tired legs out there for Waiariki. Waikato in control.
They have slowed a little bit. I think the older ones in the Waikato team are starting to control things.
All right. Putting it up front, letting their young players dominate up front. And you see this. You see the skills there from Travis Hare.
Yeah.
Nice stick control, puts it into the foot, wins the PC, and you'll see another Rick and Drake flick. Barnsdale. Here we go. Does it. Great save there from the player, from the goalie. Puts it over. Oh, pop. Great goal.
Oh, he's done it again. It's Reese.
Woohoo! He's got that little pop shot going quick, eh?
Oh, well, he'll be hoping the bar's open later.
He's getting shouted tonight. Reese Winiera. How do you like it? Pops it up into the corner. He knows where the goal is. And 3-1, and this second half is opened right up for Waikato.
Yes.
Waikato strikers making an absolute havoc up in that circle for the Waiariki team. Here they go again. They're looking hungry. Popping it back out. So another crash ball. A bit higher that time. Waiariki looking a bit tired in that back row. They want to relieve some pressure here from their back three, and nice big drag flick out. Ooh, goes over the dugouts.
They've overcooked it a little bit. And it's important at the moment to restrict your turnovers.
Yes.
And I believe that the team with the ball will win this game.
Yes, totally. Waikato, they've been having a lot of possession this game, especially in the right half of the field for them.
Yep, yep.
It's these nice little interplaying passes.
Yep.
Here's our goal scorer. Can he make it a hat-trick? They bring it up into the circle. Check there. Oh, goes across the goal, but they're dangerous though, the Waikato team. Looking hungry up there. Some lovely skills there from all the players in Waikato, bringing it up.
Yes, I must admit their senior players are really stepping up, taking control of this game.
Just using their skills, letting their young players use their legs.
Well,
our stalwarts using their skills to really open up this game. 3-1 at the moment. Tūwharetoa back on the field. They'll be looking to crash that ball up real fast. Oh, but a bit of a bobble up there. Waikato holding possession. Oh, couldn't quite get it in front of the charging Tāne Apanui.
Yep.
You would have wanted that.
Tūwharetoa's at a indifferent game at the moment. There's a bit of a miscue there, led to them now being on defence.
Now, I know he can do a big drag flick here, but is he going to? Dumps it off to Jesse. Page looking for open man. I think we're starting to see that fatigue starting to set in for both teams actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Ball there, but Waikato hold it up. Waiariki now hoping to stick the passes together, but Antonio back of the stick there, I think. As the clock winds down in our third quarter, can Waiariki salvage something here in the dying seconds? They've got to act quick here, 10 seconds. Waikato calling it out, trying to hold them up. Here we go, Waiariki, Jesse Page puts it in. Oh, but summed up here by Reese. And yeah, he throws it out. And that'll be all for our third quarter as the boys get some deep breaths coming in.
Yes, Waikato will be very happy with their quarter, their last quarter, especially Reese. You know, he's put his mark on the game, and it's created that division between the schools.
Hands on hips for both teams because they'll be pretty tired out there. Last game for the Tier 2 men's here in Pukekohe, 3-1, the score between Waikato and Waiariki.
Yep.
Check out some of the third quarter highlights. And here we go, Tuatai Edmonds, he's been everywhere really with his legs.
That's right.
Running it around. But Waikato, they've been doing some amazing things heading up into the circle, especially those strikers of Hunter Davies and Aaron Smith. They've been doing really well. And here's one of the first goals. Just how you like that, Reese. He just puts it up into the goal, makes it look easy. Reese Winiera.
And you know, that's a benefit to them too. Those senior players for Waikato are stepping up and controlling this game and then finishing off as well.
Here's another shot at goal from Waikato. Some great stick control here to win this PC. There's awesome work there by Travis Huddy. And then Aaron Barnsdale, he looked for that drag flick. And almost got a goal there, but Reese sums it up. He's got some great stick to ball, and here we go again. He's looking for a hat-trick. And Waikato almost got that third goal in the quarter. But no, as the boys take the field for the final quarter, Waiariki need to do something here to really even it up.
Yes, no, definitely.
As we see some of the organisers for the tournament out there on the deck looking on. Fourth quarter magic needed for Waiariki to make this game really competitive. Waikato though, they just need to hold on to it, maybe score another goal to put it out of reach. Oh, and here he is again, Reese. I think he's been the standout player for this game so far. He's been doing everything. Scoring goals, putting on some burners, putting on the magic.
You know, typical of Reese. You'd probably put it on to somebody else. He's not too keen on taking the accolades all the time.
He's been doing really well.
Very humble.
Tūwhare bringing it up though. Links up with Tuatai.
Hunter Davies, well done on defence.
The players. Hunter Davies pops it up. Over to Aaron Smith, but
he's going to be a better player next year when he comes back. He's really played well, Hunter Davies.
He has, hasn't he?
He looks relatively young, but, you know, time's on his side.
Waiariki passing it back around, trying to bring it up, but couldn't hold on to it. Aaron Barnsdale. Waiariki looking on. Trying to see what they can open up here. Aaron Barnsdale, I think he'll look to overhead this. Yeah, here we go.
Aaron, he hasn't lost his touch. He's been throwing the ball well today.
You notice that from a lot of the stalwarts, they might not be as fit as they once were, but the touch is still there.
Definitely, yeah. No.
Still hit the hell out of it. Drag flicker, everything.
Yeah, oh, well, like I say, a lot of them now look forward to keeping themselves in shape and making themselves available for the Masters teams at the various age groups. And Aaron's one of them.
And you see the Masters, they go into the Worlds, eh?
Yeah.
The last one was in, correct me if I'm wrong, South Africa, was it?
Yeah. Again, they went to South Africa earlier.
They did really well over there, so
yeah.
It's awesome to see. And I like that a lot of these players, they keep themselves available for that.
Yes, no, definitely.
Hunter Davies getting the ball again, but I think it was a slight foot.
Well, as the game has progressed, the likes of Hunter Davies and Corbin Phillips have actually developed as well into this Waikato lineup.
Bit of a missed pass there.
Contributions have been valid.
From Tuatai, you don't normally see that from him. Ethan looking really happy out there, coach for Waikato men's. Ethan Honeck.
Nico Grant having a bit of a touch there.
And here's our man again, Hunter Davies. He's making himself a nuisance to the defenders of Waiariki and Waikato. They won the free hit too. Whoa.
Getting very vocal on the sideline.
Yep. Classic Waiariki. I can say that, I'm from there, so classic.
Yeah, no.
We get into the game real staunch.
Yeah.
To our Waiariki brethren.
Yeah.
Waiariki holding it back up. Waikato just letting them have it. And look at this again, Hunter Davies with the ball, bringing it up. Oh, great tackle.
Great tackle.
Number 3, Corbin Phillips. Tries to do something. Oh, he might have got hit in the jaw there. Is he all right? Tuatai with the ball. Passes it off. Great pass. Looking across the field. And here we go. Let's string some passes together. Tūwhare bringing it up. You don't want to let him do that. Waiariki bringing it up. Hopefully trying to get a position. Oh, crossing. They look like it could have been in the circle. And yes, it is in the circle. PC called there from the referee. And a bit of relief there for Waiariki. Great passing there from them. And yeah, just this pass here, yep, in the circle.
Yeah.
Great call from the ref.
Terito Rika to take this PC.
They're going to need to capitalise on this one. This will be a big PC for them. They need to capitalise on here, get some momentum, bring the scores up so they can try and get level later. Here we go. Doesn't quite go to stick. This wasn't the...
Maybe a lost opportunity there for Waiariki.
Yeah, really needed that one to stick, but have the ball again. Tuatai with the ball. He's been really good in this midfield so far. They go down the sideline. Crashing it up. Owen. He's dangerous when he gets that touch, man. I'll tell you what. Tūwhare barking instructions.
Don't let that size fool you.
Nah, don't let it fool you. Although I'm surprised none of the other Mitai Wales whānau aren't out here in force this weekend.
There's been a few things happening in Waiariki, which is, hasn't enabled them to come. Unfortunately, there's, like the likes of Tangis as well. So
yeah. Unfortunate to hear.
Yeah.
But hey, a lot of stuff on this Labour weekend, as expected.
Yep.
Waiariki, get the circle entry. Oh, foot there. Yes, yes. PC there.
Yep.
Oh, Owen Mitai Wells putting it on the stick, making magic happen. He's still got that touch, as you say. Gets the ball there, easy as you like it, holds it up and bang, right into the foot. All right, they'll need this one.
Tiri Torika pushing out.
Big drag here. Tūwharetoa with the drag flick. Oh, great save.
Great save.
He's looking for that left post. Kind of bobbled there for a little bit for him. It wasn't the cleanest trap. Tūwharetoa coming off now. I think he would have wanted that one again. And you see big screen there from in the back half for Waikato. I'll let them have it. Oh, I love the sweep passes there. Those are, I don't know what you call those specials, but they're the sweeps where you look like you're passing left, but it goes right. Love those ones.
It's like a no-look pass.
Yeah, no-look passes, love them. Aaron Barnsdale, he'll quieten it up as cool as you like it. Oh, Owen gets the ball. He's still got that touch.
Oh, heka.
Goes out there, 16.
I think Owen was anticipating his mate being out there and he had moved.
And Māori looking on the sideline, she'll be barking instructions to all the team. Nice take though, from number 14, Wesley Hampton. Tamaho Palmer, got a foot there, Hampton with the ball. Another foot there, carry on. Ooh, bit of a stick check. No, nothing there. Waiariki with the ball. Oh, great save.
Yeah, it was.
Waiariki did well to keep that ball in play. And Waikato with the great save there.
It was, that D was quite cluttered.
Yeah.
So for him to be able to see the ball, to get it away was
Waiariki.
Great positioning.
Waiariki bringing up this left side now. Nico Grant-Fagi with the ball. Tries to drop it off to Mitai Wells, but not there. Big crash in. But Waikato happy to just play it out. Oh, they got ball. Oh, here we go. Hunter Davies is on the ball. Oh, big stick check there. Referee, green card there.
Yes.
Yeah, it was pretty sloppy tackle.
Yeah, it looked a bit deliberate.
Tim Hohepa has to make the march off, but now they're down to 10. It's not what you want for Waiariki. Oh, but doesn't make it to ball there.
Time ticking on, about 5 minutes left.
Yep. Waiariki need to get it down to the other side of the field ASAP to try and change momentum.
Yeah, they're creating opportunities, just not finishing them off.
And Waikato happy for them to play it back here. Oh, here we go. Waikato trying to make something of it. Zach Palmer, barking instructions. Here we go. Waiariki do well to get out of that. And here we go. Opportunity now for Waiariki. Can they do something with it? They come through the middle. Great control there from number 20. Again, still don't have a name for him. I'm assuming that's Jaden Mason. Aroha mai whānau if we don't quite have his name right. He's a great young player there, number 20 for Waiariki. Reserves come on. Now 3-1 down, 5 minutes to go. Desperation moments now for Waiariki, you'd think. Now I haven't seen it so far in our live stream games, but none of the teams have opted to take off their goalie to have an extra player on the field?
No, that's right. And not many of them have actually come with 2 goalies. Or even, like you say, towards the end of the game.
Oh, here we go, Waikato.
Just continue with field players.
Doing some great work up in the strike area for Waikato. Nice pop pass there. Almost got Aaron Smith open. Waiariki bringing it up the sideline. And again, Waiariki bringing it back, but they need to get it up the field as quickly as possible. Hunter Davies, though, oh, it's speed. Here's a young man to watch. He holds on to it.
Oh, hard.
Tries to find a pass there. They look pretty dangerous. Carry on, though, says the ref. And he bails it off. Waikato in control. As cool as you like it. Oh, Hunter Davies once again. Oh, and almost gets in there. Some great passing there from Waikato.
Yeah, great interchange, Aaron to Troy. Troy back to Aaron, and Aaron setting up Hunter for that cross.
I think that's been the difference maker, actually, as their passes.
Yeah.
Just been getting it to stick.
Yeah, a bit more accurate, eh?
Yeah. Waikato bringing it up the right side. Holding them here in the Waiariki 22. Waiariki though, doing well to get out of here. There's a lot of Waikato jerseys in the middle of that, but they dump it out. Waikato applying a lot of pressure up front, making it hard for Waiariki to get out of there. Overhead pass. Waiariki getting possession back though. I need to act on this quickly, try and get something out of it. But they come out. Waikato with a very high press, making it really hard for them. Applying that pressure. Ooh. Bit of a hard whistle there. And Jesse Page now back on the field. He gets the ball, passes it off, great pass to number 9, Waiariki. Waiariki though coming into the circle entry.
Opportunity, no, lost.
Tackle there.
Yep.
By Reese Winieta. Jesse Page with the ball. He'll dribble it in. He's got good skills. Can't quite hold it though. A turnover there for Waikato. I think they'll just bang it upfield. Oh no, they hold on to it. Zach Palmer dispossessed. Some 3D skills there, but Waikato, as easy as you like, defends it. And as we head into the final minute, I think the mountain's becoming too high to climb.
Yes.
For Waiariki. Waikato standing strong here in this Tier 2 men's grand final. And I think you'll just see them play it out in this back half possibly. It's been an excellent game of hockey from both teams, but Waikato pulling it out strong here.
And Tāne, you're not in a hurry to distribute.
Yep. Crash it up the field.
The clock down.
Oh, here we go. They might be hungry for one more. The young strikers looking for another one. And just goes out there, but yep. That'll probably call it for the game as Waikato enjoy the victory here in the New Zealand Māori Hockey Tournament for 2025.
Oh, come by. There we go.
Big smiles, big cheers from all the players.
Here we go, whānau, the winners of the Tier 2 competition at the Haupoi Māori Aotearoa competition. Waikato Maniapoto defeating Waiariki by 3 points to 1.
Awesome game of hockey here in Pukekohe. And we hope you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more, because we've got more grand finals to come As you can see, some of our girls making their way on the field. Our next game, the Tier 1 Wahine, coming out in force. We've got Tamaki Makaurau trying to defend their championship against Tai Tokiro, who have been real strong this weekend. But that'll end our coverage of the Tier 2 Men's Championship for 2025. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks to One Foundation and the team here at Local Gecko Productions. We'll be right back with more action here to come. Stay tuned.